The only limits on what we can achieve in life are those we create and place on ourselves. So this is the first line from part 2 chapter 1. If you have missed part 1 chapter 1, you can go to description box. Link is mentioned over there. And if you want to know what is there in this part further, stay connected with this video. Hello everyone, my name is Trivesh Gupta and you are watching my YouTube channel Team Learners. So let's learn. Book name is Mega Living, written by Robin Sharma, and this chapter contains 4 parts, and today we will be covering our second part. This part name is The Power of Limitless Living. So before telling you about this part, when I was reading this part, I felt so positive because any motivation is useless if you don't find any logic behind that. So this part will give you motivation plus logic so that in the end you will feel very positive. There is no such thing as a negative circumstance, only a circumstance that you may learn from. There are no mistakes in life, only lessons, which will allow you to grow and advance higher on the path of self-mastery. Every moment is perfect in nature, whether you realize it or not. If you don't understand this principle, you will never realize the wonderful destiny that is yours for the taking. So this reminds me about one thing I saw somewhere written. Every successful person is a failure who tried one more time. So it means it is your call. If you are failed, so you can learn from that failure, you can move ahead, you can step forward, or you can sit and you can cry and you can quit. So it is your call. There is no failure, only opportunities. So this was the motivation part. Now author is coming on the logic. Best conditioned thinkers use only about 25% of their minds. What happened to the remaining 75%? Indian yogis living high up in the Himalaya mountains have disciplined their mind to the point where they can control their so-called evolutionary process such as their heartbeat, digestion and nervous functioning. Through a combination of meditative techniques and breath control, these yogis are able to withstand enormous amount of physical pain and go for extended periods without food or sleep. Such is the power within every one of us. So every one of us is having so much power, like even a best thinker is using 25% of its brain. So if yogis can do this, if they are able to control on their minds, so we are. So we have to think about the power of our mind. The human mind and spirit can perform miracles if properly used and conditions for excellence. The first step for a life full of wonder is to see that your outside world begins with your inside world, and every single thought must be one that will take you further along the path of a perfect life. Your thoughts can create magic and everything you have ever wanted. Today's thought builds tomorrow's dreams. So author is trying to tell you your minds can do wonders. You have to realize this, that whatever you are seeing outside, this is just because of your head. This is just because you are thinking that. If everything is wrong for you, because you are thinking wrong. You have to think about opportunities. You have to think about lessons. So everything is good. So an immediate challenge for you is to wave your new habit of limitless thinking today. The mind is like a muscle. If it is weak, it can be conditions for strength. If you currently worry too much or live in the past, the negative habit can be erased through the exercise you will learn in the 30-day program at the end of this book. So I'll just give you a very quick summary about this part. Author is trying to tell you 3 things. First thing, no failure, only opportunities. No negative circumstances, only ways to learn. Second thing, we are not using our mind properly. First, we have to learn that we don't have to sit, we don't have to quit, we don't have to cry. Then we have to think how to control on our mind. And third, if you're not able to do that, if you don't know how to do that, stay connected with book, stay connected with this program so that you will learn slowly and you will be able to implement all those things in your life. So if you like this video, press like button. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, stay connected, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.